Okay, welcome back to the tutorial series on creating the mitered box. And I kind of lied at the end of the last one. I said there wouldn't be a tutorial on creating the left and right sides, but maybe that's a bit cruel at this time when we're so new to Fusion. So here we go. We will now be making the left and right sides of the box. So over here, notice we have everything selected, or visible, I should say. If I turn off the lid, boom, everything's gone, but that wouldn't be good because I wouldn't be able to see what I want to draw, which is the left side. So I better leave that on. What if I turn off the front? Oh, it's gone. What if I turn off the back? It's gone. I'll keep the left on, I'll keep the right on, because that's what I'm working on. So left, let's make it active because you want to draw on the active. Notice my view cube up here. Let's put it in any position we want. I can see certain aspects, like certain sides of the view cube. Here's the right side, but I can't see the left side. So let's draw the one that I can see. So I'm going to go over here and go make the right hand side active, and you'll see why in a second. And now I'm going to create a sketch, which is going to be my rectangle extruded 45 degrees, so I'm going to go a lot faster this time. And the sketch is going to be on the side that lines up with the right side of the box, which is this one here. Bonk. And now we are going to go create a rectangle. It's a center rectangle just like last time. We're going to drag it out. My box has to have the same length. It's got to be 10 inches like it was before, so I'm going to hit tab and go 10 inches. It also has to have the same height. So the height was, I can't remember. I better go back and check, so I'll check that in a second. 1.25. I think right now you might be screaming at me if I got it wrong. So I've made a few of these boxes, all different heights. So there's an 1.25 inch high box. So now I'm going to extrude this baby out. The requisite 0.375, not an option, everybody does that. And then I'm going to create a sketch on the top. See, it lines up the top surface of this, and it rotated on me, and I don't love that. So I'm going to go up to my view cube and see how I can rotate it around using these arrows. I'm going to bring it back. Actually, I'll do this. I'm going to look at it from doghouse view. I would like to sketch on here, which I am, but I want to make my lines go this way because I know I'm on the right hand side. It won't matter in the end. Whoopie-doo, we can spin stuff around if we have to. Okay, so I am going to go back to the top. I'm going to rotate it this way. Boom. And now we're going to create a line just like we did last time. It's got to be 45 degrees out. So we hit tab, 45, enter. And now we'll do another line, hit an L on the keyboard to speed things up. Going this way, it's going to be 45. Oop, wrong one. That's the length of the line. Maybe make that 2 or something like that. I don't know where it went. It's way out there because I made it 45. Look at it out there. That's crazy. Let's make it 2. There we go. It's better. Zoom, 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 zoom. Alrighty. And then we'll hit tab to make the blue box, angle box, active 45, enter. Okay. Now what are we doing? Remember we trimmed these to make them neat and tidy, so we'll trim. It goes red to show me what's going to be trimmed. Hit escape to get rid of the little trim command. See, I'm going much faster than the last video. We're going to click that, and we're going to click that, and we're going to extrude these, and I can't see my little extrusion arrow. Better get that one. Oh, yeah, you hold shift when you click them both, otherwise you'll not get them both. And now we're going to go down. And now we're going to go to, how far? To object, which is the other side of this thing. Push OK. So I've got this piece. Let's turn the other ones back on, the front and the back. Ooh, there it is. And this was which side again? This is the right side, right? So if this is the back right now, if I go doghouse, I'm looking at the front. This is the right side. See, you click and hold and you can bring it over. So I'll bring it over. Now notice it's all over the place. Like in space, I could have this one way down here and that one up there, but I'm just going to roughly click and move them around till they represent what they represent. So it's logical to me. Ooh, weird. Okay, good enough. Now, how did we end up with a left side? Should we make another left side? Or should we draw that all again? I could go to left, I could highlight that, and I could draw a left side, but wasn't it smarter to just get rid of that thing? Delete. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the right side, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go to the top lid so that we can have it paste underneath the proper well, it should be underneath lid. And we're going to go right click, and we're going to go paste new. Make sure paste new, not paste. There we go. And where is it? It is there. So I'm going to push it over, and then I'm going to rotate it 180. Boom, boom, boom. There we are. And then we're going to hit capture position because we should. Push OK. Oh boy, look at that. We've got all four sides of our box drawn. This is fantastic. And what's the next step? Well, the next step is going to be joining these sides together so they stop doing all this nonsense. And that is the next video. Stay tuned. All for now.